Want to make consistent money without managing inventory or paying for storage? Marabout Air Freight lets you run a reselling and shipping business to the Dominican Republic with zero warehouse costs. You will get a free U.S. address, up to 15 days of free consolidation, and customs plus delivery handled. All explained in your native language, so nothing gets lost in translation. Perfect for beginners and seasoned hustlers alike. You collect orders and payments, prep your packages, and drop them off or ship them direct to your Marabout Freight U.S. address. We will consolidate everything, clear customs, and deliver directly to your client's door in the DR. Resell clothes, small electronics, beauty items, and more, all while we handle the heavy lifting. You will have WhatsApp support in English, French, or Creole, so you are never left in the dark during shipping or delivery. Don't miss our next shipment. Sign up now and get your new delivery address in the USA with Marabout.